Now we're going to focus on replacing the halogen fog light bulb over to LED. To start, you're going to need your 8mm socket. You're going to remove these 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Pop it from the back, from here, and then go ahead and get the red tab down, pull it down. That's the locking tab. Once you pull it down, push forward, and then pull down from the socket, and then remove the bulb counterclockwise.
Your fog light's also going to be an H11, which we're going to be using the LD series, all right? So this is the one that has the new function for the 4300K yellow, then it has the 3400 or 3200K golden yellow, and it has the SOS function, okay? And that's going to be your fog light.
So here's a look at the fog light bulb, and there's a fog light assembly, and we're going to access it from the back. You're going to slot it in, try to fit it in, and then rotate it clockwise to lock in the bulb. Okay, we're now going to go ahead and turn on the fog lights. They are in white. We're going to turn off the fog lights and then turn them back on again so you can get into 4300K. Great, that's a warm white. Now we're going to turn them off and put them on again. And that's the 3500K yellow. We're going to turn them off, turn it back on for the SOS function. We're going to turn them back off and turn them back on, and it goes back to white. And that's how the kit works. Thank you for tuning in to the Lasfit YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment box below. And to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel.